Hi, my name is Simone Cobbs. I am going to evaluate the e-commerce site Urban Decay. This site is a makeup site for consumers to come and purchase different makeup items. The site uploads very well, so the functionality of the site is quick despite having lots of visual pictures and slideshows. As far as information for the customer, they have this rolling banner that lets you know of different discounts. The only pop-up really is this right here that comes pops up as soon as you come to the site, allowing people to subscribe to get an additional 15% off their order. But this rolling display also lets you know of any promotional offers on the site or other discounts that may be going on the site. It also has this best sellers area, which is really good for quick purchases if or you want to view items really quickly because they know that these things sell. So they make it easy for someone to just add it to their cart and either continue shopping or go ahead and pay for that item. The navigational bar is easy to utilize. Um, for the most part, someone purchasing makeup, they're going to look for either eye, lips, or face makeup. So they make those things readily available. Urban Decay also has vegan makeup that makes it easy for someone who wants a specific type of makeup that is vegan, um, easily accessible. It also has redundancy in their navigation. For example, if you were to go back to the main page, and let's go back to one of the best sellers. For example, let's look at this 24/7 waterproof eyeliner. If you were to go under eyes, you can find this eyeliner. If you click on eyes, you can also click on the eyeliner there. You can also click on 24/7 and you will be able to get again to the same eyeliner. The same thing as this moon dust eyeshadow here. If I were to go to eyes, I will find this eyeshadow under eyes right here. I can also go to 24/7 to find that same eyeshadow right here. And because it's vegan, I can also go to vegan makeup and find the same eyeshadow. Again, it's easy to make a purchase on this site. You just click here. It lets you know if you click maybe 2 times to get to the cart. If you have PayPal, it's even quicker. But if not, then you can continue to the steps. And if you already have account, you can easily log in with Facebook or Google, or you can check out as a guest and continue on from there. But it does have accessibility for it to be quick, especially if you are a recurring customer. It also can be viewed on other websites, popular sites like browsers like Microsoft Edge. It's easy to view on the mobile devices as well. Again, there's no big distractions. It's easy to read. The only sound that you might hear comes from here, the little chat, and it pops. Other than that, this is a really great site to navigate on.